Why was Sith called Darth, and what did it mean? Many Sith chose to add Darth to their name, this being a deep-rooted tradition even by the time of Darth Revan. Many galactic historians consider this to be a contraction of the title, Dark Lord of the Sith. But the title is in fact much more ancient. 30,000 years before the Clone Wars, the brutal darkside wielding Rakatan Infinite Empire arrived on the planet Korriban, the homeworld of the ancient Sith, gifting them with advanced technologies. The Rakata would eventually try to invade the Sith, but the Sith would repel them, the first species to do so. As well as new technology and understandings of the dark side, the Sith would also take aspects of the Rakatan language, including the title Darth. It is possible that Darth came from the combination of the Rakatan word Dar, that meant triumph, and Tar, that meant death. Therefore, Darth could mean victory over death, or immortality, an obsession that many Sith held. Alternatively, it could mean victory through death, meaning the conquest of one's enemies through the dark side.